Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about JSON prompting. Basically, JSON prompts are a technique that give the AI more structure and clarity. For example, I made two videos before, one using a normal text prompt and another using a JSON prompt. First, let's check out the output with the normal prompt.
Are you serious right now? I can't believe this happened again. Are you?
Like this, as you can see, the result was okay, but it felt less expressive, less cinematic. Sometimes it's too stiff and a bit consistent. Now let's look at the JSON versions.
Are you serious right now? I can't believe this happened again.
Okay, like this, as you can see, the video came out sharper. It's more expressive with more dramatic emotions and more accurate and much closer to what I actually imagined. So how do you make a JSON prompt without writing any code? The good news is you don't have to do it manually. With AI tools like a Gemini Gems, you can generate JSON prompt instantly. So let's open Gemini. And then when you're on your Gemini account, first just create a gem. I already made a full tutorial. Just check the link in the descriptions. And once your gem is ready, just select it. Just go to menu and then just choose your gems that already made. And then just ask Gemini to generate a JSON prompt by giving it the details of your video idea like this, like you can type like this. Create a JSON prompt video generator for VO3 about, and then just describe about the details of your video, and then just hit enter, and that's it. You will instantly get a ready to use JSON prompt like this. So when you use that prompt inside Google Flow or another video generator, you will notice the output looks way better, just like the improved example that I showed you earlier. And okay, that's it, the power of JSON prompt. If you want your AI video to look more professional and consistent, just try this method. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.